Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Perfecta, and this machine was brought in because when it was brewing, it was kind of leaking and dripping all around here. And the reason for that is that this brew spout, as it happens, don't know why, but they tend to crack. And it has like a hairline fracture along the center seam, and so it just kind of like starts spilling everywhere. So we just basically replaced this, reinstalled it, and here it is working. So let's test it. Alright, there you have it. DeLonghi Perfecta working once again, no longer leaking. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.